Yeah, good day, all of you. Today I'm going to tell a story of uh, Michael Jordan. Yeah, the same Jordan was a famous basketball player, American basketball player, and he's a true inspiration to millions of other basketball players and kids and students. So, in during one interview, he told this story to the audience. So I'm going to tell the same story. That is, uh, he had four siblings and father and mother. They lived in a small house, all seven of them in a small house. So one day, when he was young, almost 10 to 12 years, his father called up and gave him a piece of cloth and asked him, how much does it worth? What is the value of this one? So he was not knowing, he just told maybe a piece of cloth, it can fetch you $1. So father told, okay, you do one thing, you just go and sell it for $2. Small boy took the cloth, washed it, then dried up. Then as there was no iron to press it, he folded it and kept it under his clothes. And next day he took it to the market and he couldn't find anyone to buy this cloth. So he went to the railway station nearby and there stood for almost 4 to 5 hours, and finally he could sell it for $2. He came back with that money happily and handed over to his father. Okay, the father took the money and kept, and after 15 to 20 days he was called again and father gave him another piece of cloth and told him, this time you had to sell it for $20. So he was thinking like $1 was the actual cost, and now the father is telling like sell it for $20. So where he will get the customer from? But he didn't question his father because he was thinking very much I wanted to do something in life and prove himself to be successful. So he took it. Now he discussed this with his friends, what to do, how to sell it. Then they went to the city and went to a shop and got a sketch of Mickey Mouse printed on it. You know that normally the t-shirts have the Mickey Mouse or animals or anything printed on it, but they will press it with the iron and that print will be there on the t-shirt. Okay, so he took that cloth, and who will buy that for $20? So then he thought that there is a school where all rich people's kids study. It's a convent. So he went, sat there in front of the gate, and when it was time for the dispersal, the parents will come normally to fetch their kids. So at the time, he told that this cloth worth $20 and showed off his with the cute Mickey Mouse on it. Then nobody turned for that, but finally a small kid came and he was very happy to see Mickey Mouse, which is his favorite cartoon, and asked his father to purchase it for him. The father finally gave him $20 and 5 as a tip. So overall he got $25. He came back home and handed over to his father. Father was happy. Then after few more months, he was called again and given another piece of cloth and told that this time you had to sell it for $200. So what to say? $1 worth clothes should be sold for $200. Okay, let us try. He went, he couldn't find any any customer for a simple cloth. Who will buy for $200? Then he saw an advertisement. An actress is coming to inaugurate a restaurant. So the next day he went there. There were security guards standing, police people standing, and somehow he managed to get inside the restaurant, and he asked for an autograph of that actress on that cloth. So the actress, seeing that innocent child, she gave her autograph, and with that autograph, the clever child, that is Michael Jordan, went to market and told that, see that this is a special cloth and it has got the autograph of the child, of the actress. So the cloth was auctioned, and finally he got. So the cloth was kept for auction, and the crowd there wanted that cloth because it has got the autograph of that famous actress. So finally he got, not $200 but $2,000. He was up in the sky. He went and handed over the amount to his dear father and told the whole story. So father was in tears. He couldn't resist his happiness. He held the child closely, tightly, and told him, you can win anything in life. You will go ahead definitely. I didn't expect you to sell it for $200 even, but many more times you have got. So you will excel in life. Now, this story was shared by Michael Jordan himself, and he concluded that always you should have positive attitude towards life. With negative thoughts, you won't excel. So, I hope this story will change all your negative attitudes, thoughts, and you will start thinking positively and will excel and work hard for goal in life. Thank you.